This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Scott Meredith. Elevate your lifestyle in this 2021 craftsman/traditional style home, professionally landscaped on over 1.25 acres with dock leading to the Lynnhaven River. This home boasts smart high-end appliances and fixtures which accent the open floor plan, brightly flowing with 6 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms. Custom features include wainscoting and craftsman-style trim work with elegant touches. The chef's kitchen and eat-in breakfast area lead to a beautiful back porch overlooking a mature wooded oasis that trails to the dock and pier, perfect for boating, bird watching, fishing, or crabbing. The primary suite includes 2 large walk-in closets, freestanding tub, and walk-in shower with rain head. The natural gas fireplace and dual-zone HVAC combined with state-of-the-art installation techniques provide for a cool and cozy feel with minimum utility bills. The oversized 2-car garage and wide driveway yield ample parking for your next party. This home is a must-see. For more information, review the details below.